There's two things that people look at when they decide where they want to live. The main thing is security, and then they also want quality of life. My name is Leonhard Jonas. I'm the CEO of Avianto Estate and also Northlands Business Park. Our main business is residential development as well as industrial development. This development is in excess of 350 hectares, so the infrastructure that needs to go in here is quite substantial. So a super estate is any development that's got more than 2,000 opportunities, and ultimately we want to create a community where people can spend all their time, live, work and play. So we'll have, you don't have to leave, you can do everything that you need to do on the estate. We've recently completed a 3-kilometer sewer line. We've recently completed this road just behind us. So there's a lot of development that we do, and we do all of it ourselves. So we do all the internal infrastructure services ourselves. And obviously we need the correct and proper equipment in order to do that.
I'm workshop and plant manager at Avianto and Northlands Business Park. And yeah, we've got 10 case machines now. The relationship with the supplier is very important to us. The biggest thing we have is we need space. So availability on space is a big thing for us. We can't let machines stand for a week or whatever. That's why we like the case machines. It's nice to have a friend in the industry as well. Yeah, I've got a good relationship with Sean there. We bought all the machines from him. And then also in the workshop, we've got Andries that we speak a lot to. He helps us very good. Doesn't matter at what time, anything you call him. Even if it's a workshop related thing, you can call him. He'll always help you, put you in the right direction and sort the problem out for us.
It's important for us, as this is a long-term development, that to have partners in this business that we can depend on and that we feel we can walk a long road with. And that's one of the reasons that we partnered with Case. Most definitely, Avianto Estate is going to be one of the main residential developments in South Africa.